Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to add links to your Wix website so your visitors can easily jump between pages like home and products, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through adding a new page and linking it from your site's menu, all within the Wix website builder. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just how to set up your links, but also why each step makes your site more user-friendly. Alright, let's dive in together. We'll start on the Pages section of Wix. This is basically your control center for managing what your visitors see. The key idea here is that you need pages to link to, so let's add a new one. Go ahead and click Add New Page. I suggest naming this page something descriptive. In our demo, we'll call it Products. Giving your pages clear names helps both you and your visitors know exactly where everything is. It's sort of like labeling drawers in a kitchen makes finding things so much easier. Once you've created your new products page, let's add some content so it's not just an empty shell. Click into the Design section. Here where you can get creative, but for this walkthrough, let's keep it simple. Use the search bar to enter products. Wix will show you some ready-made options. Pick any product you like for now. Remember, this is just a demo, so you can always swap out the details later. Just make sure there's something on the page, otherwise the link won't be very enticing to your visitors. Now, imagine someone lands on your homepage and wants to navigate to your products. You'll want to make this as easy as possible. So let's jump back to our home page. The next thing we'll do is add a navigation menu. Think of the menu like a roadmap. It's how people get around your site. Click on Add Element, then search for Menu. Once it pops up, drag and drop it right into the header section. The header is prime real estate because it's visible on every page, so putting your menu there means folks can always find their way. Now that your menu's in place, let's customize it to include our new products page. Click on the menu, then change the name of one of the buttons or add a new one if needed. Rename it to Products so it matches what we created earlier. Give it a clear, straightforward label. Again, think about those kitchen drawers. Next comes the part where we actually link it up. Click Manage Menu. On the three dots beside your Products menu option, you'll see Add Link. Select that. You'll get a few choices here, but we want to link to a page on our site, so pick Page, then choose Products. You'll see an option to decide where the link opens. Make sure it's set to Current Window. This keeps things neat and tidy for your visitors so they're not juggling multiple tabs. We're almost there. Click Done, and now let's check our work. Hit Preview so you see your site just like a visitor would. Click that Products link in your menu and make sure it actually takes you to your new page. If everything's working, give yourself a little fist bump. You've just made your site way more navigable. And that's all there is to it. If any part of this felt confusing, don't worry, it's totally normal when learning something new. Go back and try any steps again and you'll get quicker each time. Before you head off, if you found this guide useful, please give the video a like. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments. I'm always happy to help with Wix tips. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy building.